Observing these heart-wrenching canines, virtually left behind due to the unforeseen circumstance involving the flood, it is impossible not to fathom the level of emotional turmoil faced by their owners. Their untimely departure from their loved ones has left a void in their hearts, making it all the more crucial for them to find their place in this new environment they have been thrust into. With resilience, these canine companions have proven time and time again that they are more than capable of overcoming adversity and reuniting with their families. Let us all join hands in supporting them in their quest for a happier and better life, a life full of love and warmth that they so rightfully deserve. If you've made around this long, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment with rescue to support our cause in helping animals in distress. If you're interested in giving these sweet pets a loving home, drop a comment below and we'll reach out to you right away.